we going to get into today? Well, I got all kind of stuff out here. I think today we're going to make some Irish cream. I've been wanting some Irish coffee, and to have Irish coffee, I needed some Irish cream. Okay, so this is so easy to make. So we're going to make a batch up, and like always, I'll put my ingredients down in the description box, so if you want to make it yourself, you're more than welcome. But I guess first things first. Welcome to Stillworks or Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Welcome to Wednesdays with Randy. Sorry about my voice. I'm getting a little bit of a cold. It's just the way it is. All right. So, all we need is a blender. And our first ingredient is 1 cup of, they say you can use either whipping cream, but I like to use half and half because it's just a little bit thinner. I think it's better myself. So it's 1 cup of if I don't spill it, 1 cup of half and half. Now the next one is a small can of that sweetened condensed milk. You open that up. I do like Irish cream. Irish coffee. Well, I like the Irish cream too, so I can't say anything bad about that. All right, so we want one can of that, and you'll need some kind of scraper or something because it sticks in there pretty good. Pretty sticky. All right. Almost got it. Okay. 1 can of that. All right. Making a mess. Well, if I didn't make a mess, you would think there was something wrong with me. All right. The next ingredients I got is 1.5 cups of Jameson. Now, I didn't have any Irish whiskey. That's one thing I need to do. I need to make some Irish whiskey. I did once before, and it turned out very good. So I think I need to do that. But anyway, so I want, what did I say? 1.5 cups. There's 1.5. 1.5 cups of that. Ooh, that smells good. And then I want 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. One. And 2. Okay, and then the next thing I want is, okay, so I want 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, right? And then you just make it to your taste. I'm gonna just go a little bit more of instant coffee. All right, and then I want 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. All right. I think we got everything in there. Okay, so we'll put the lid on this. Let me clean some of my stuff up out of here. And what we want to do is we just want to blend this together well. All right, so we'll give it a few first. All right, I think that's enough. And then all we want to do is bottle it up. All right. Now the best part is we get to try it, make sure it's right. You know what I mean? So what I'll do is I'll just put this in the refrigerator, and it'll keep for a good month or so. All right, you gotta remember it's dairy in there with good alcohol in it. I mean, it looks a lot like Bailey's Irish Cream, I think. Let's try it. Ah! I'll tell you what, if I poured a Bailey's Irish Cream and then one of these beside you, I don't think you'd be able to tell the difference. That is fantastic. I think everybody would love that. Damn, that's good. It's gonna be good in coffee. All right. Well, there you go. Irish cream. Gotta love it. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here. Wednesdays with Randy. I'm getting it.